Your family likely enjoys potato and green bean stew. Braised potatoes and greens make a tasty and appetizing dish.
The method is simple. Just read through it carefully once, and you'll learn to clean the green beans, cut them evenly, and peel and shape the potatoes.
On New Year's Eve, combine soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, sugar, water, and cornstarch in a bowl until well blended. Fry the potato sticks in moderately hot oil until golden brown and crispy. Your family members share daily homemade food tips to brighten your busy day. We greatly appreciate your knowledge and support. I wish you joy and happiness every day, like crisp fried beans with a savory sauce. Stir fry the potatoes and green beans evenly. Serve as a side dish or with alcohol. Feel free to visit if you like it. For the beans stir-fried with money dish, you start by frying the green beans or the eggplant. The delicious, easy-to-learn method results in a clean, appetizing green bean dish. Cut the clean eggplant into even, thin slices. Then, slice the green beans into uniform pieces. Cut the ingredients into thicker pieces and place in a bowl. Add oyster sauce, water, cornstarch, salt, chicken essence, mesquite, and white sugar. Stir to combine. Heat oil to 70-80% temp. Then fry eggplant until golden without changing color. Remove eggplant, then fry green beans. This is a simple, homemade dish I share with my family daily. Please take a moment to show your support. I'm deeply grateful for your knowledge. I wish you joy and happiness every day. Fry the excess oil, then add the scallions, ginger, and garlic and saute until fragrant. Pour in the green beans and the best seasoning. Add small chili peppers, stir fry, and serve the savory dish. Great for drinking and dining. For fans, follow, save, and try it.